We're just here in Northwest Bay.
Weather's a bit dreary.
See if we can get some flatty.
Yep, just fish till dark, using plastics and hard bodies and see what we get.
Yeah, Rory.
Feels a bit like a cooter, which I'm not happy
Could
about.
well be a cooter. Yeah, it is. And we called it.
Don't eat my plastic, mate, please.
That's our first fish.
Damn, he's got my plastic. Fish on.
Yes, Rory.
Here's the cooter.
Nice one, bro. There you go.
And they're little fish, but nice start.
Oh, yeah, got him. There's Rory's fish in the water. Rory, could you pick up this? Because I don't want to lose it. Cheers. So I've just got a little plastic on. We're fishing about 8 metres of water.
Yeah, a little bit less, just on the edge. Got the drop off here.
Just hooked up to another nice flatty. Oh, how's that?
Quality.
There you go. Oh, there you go. That's what's doing the damage, little homemade soft plastic. There you go. Fish number 1, that's size.
Yeah. Yes, job. Looks like there's a little bit of weight.
Might be alright.
Looks like he'll push size. Put him on the measure.
I reckon he's size.
Another one.
Oh. That's a very nice flathead, I think. Far out. Yeah, about time you started catching some good sized ones, Rory. Oh,
That's a bit better.
that's a lot better. Look at that bad boy.
Sorry, mate. You're coming home with us.
It's 3 fish.
No.
Oh, all this blood here is dripping from Rory's finger. Whoops.
Whoopsie daisies.